Say hello.
Hello.
But show your face.
Hello. She loved that.
What's up, you guys? In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I refresh my mini twists. Can you guys imagine? I have 2 weeks in now. I left from looking like this. I'll be showing you how I refresh my mini twist after 2 weeks. So these are my mini twists, and as you can see, it is unraveled, it is dull, my edges is looking in a hot mess. Yeah, we're gonna get straight into it, guys. So guys, in case if you're wondering what's wrong with my eye, as you guys can see, this eye is red from since last night. It has been bothering me, it has been itching me, and I woke up with it looking so, but nevertheless I'll push through. I'll go ahead and make myself feel better by freshening up my mini twists. And yes, I'm here to show you guys just what I do to refresh it. So in case if you have mini twists, instead of taking them out after 2 weeks, instead of unraveling them after 2 weeks, I'm gonna show you guys how to refresh them. We're gonna leave these beautiful twists last for about a month. I'm 2 weeks in, and yes, I'm gonna go ahead and refresh them and make them last. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna section to the front. I'm gonna work on the front of my hair. So these are the mini twists that I will be doing over. So there you go. I'm actually taking them out. I don't want to do over too much. I'm just gonna touch up my front. So yeah. Okay, gonna put it aside. And I'm gonna tuck the back in the back. And I'm gonna do all of these back, one, ripping them out, twisting them over one by one by one. I'm not gonna do this on camera because it's going to be really time consuming, but I'll be back once they are done. And of course, before I commence on these front mini twists, on refreshing them, I'll be refreshing them, of course, with my Dady Gel. What I love about this gel, you don't even have to put water. I see a lot of people, they spritz their hair with water to get it moisturized, but this gel is a moisturizing gel. It is water-based, and yeah, once you apply it to your hair, you don't have to use water. So yes, here I go. Okay, as you guys can see, this twist is gone, all the way unraveled. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start with that one. So I'll be putting a little of the Dady Gel. I'm gonna comb it out with my rat tail comb. Adding some more gel and going ahead and twisting it. And that's it, guys. I'm gonna continue by doing the whole front of my hair, and of course I'll be back to show you guys how it looks. Okay guys, so I've just finished doing back the front of the hair. So as you can see, the front is so clean. Voila, that's the word I'm looking for. The front is so clean. The front is so clean and so neat. So now I'm gonna do the back of the hair. I'm gonna refresh the back of the hair, especially the ends. And this time I'm gonna use water, guys. I'm gonna use water.
Hey, mommy!
My daughter is right in the back, so yeah. She's keeping my company. So I'll be putting water. And I'm gonna smooth the water in the hair. I'm gonna take some gel and I'm gonna add the Dady Gel to the ends of my hair to form back my curls. This is all that I do to refresh my twist. I'm just gonna leave it air dry now and I'm gonna go about my business. Okay guys, this is it. This is how I refresh my twist. As you can see, the front is on point. So whenever I put my hair up, whenever I do cute styles, the front will be looking the bomb. And as you can see, the ends are curly. It's just like a wash and go, but with twist to the top. So I'm gonna leave this air dry, and yeah, I'm gonna go about my business. I hope you guys love this video. Do give it a big thumbs up and make sure if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel. See you guys next time. Bye.